Hey, how we doing, everybody? It's another beautiful day in the Cheesy Moon Workshop. Kind of a pretty cool day today. I didn't have any luck out searching for knives today, but I did run across these old bottle openers. You see they were all in this bag for $2, and these two are kind of neat. This is a drink hood pull beer. Okay, and this one I thought was kind of neat. It's Bavarian Brewing Company from Covington, Kentucky. That's kind of relevant to the rest of the video. This one's very cool. It says "Have a Coke" on there. I don't know if it's true vintage Coke bottle opener, but regardless, it's very cool. I got a little excited when I saw this peeking out. Knife Doctor had just shown a video where he found one of those old wire knives, and I saw this and my heart started pounding, and like, ah, crap, cheese slicer. Then these are just a couple standard little bottle opener, can openers. Most people look at this and they, we say, what do you mean it's a can opener? This is what we'd use to punch through the top of a can of milk or broth or whatever. Sometimes even, soups came in a juice, fruit juice came in a can. You punch a hole in the top and pour it out. Usually a large hole on one side, small air hole in the other, good to go. So yes, that's a can opener. And you work your way around the can if you needed. So what was neat about this one here from Covington, Kentucky, I got a card today from Brian Hembry and his wife. And they're from Covington, Georgia. That's kind of neat. But he sent me a nice little card here. Said it was nice to meet me in Ellaville, and perhaps we can meet up when they come down for their son's graduation trip. That would be awesome. Got me a couple cool Bubba EDC stickers. I believe, Bubba, I sent you some of mine. If not, let me know. But thank you, Mr. Bubba. I appreciate that. And to go full circle on the universe kind of dialed in on me, like Mike over at Make Cutlery Great Again. He was talking about, he was rebuilding a leather sheath, and I said I was cleaning one up, redoing one. And I'll post the pictures of the befores of this sheath here. It doesn't look like it ever been carried, but you see the top is kind of wrinkled because it was smooshed flat, almost completely flat. Heavy stains and discolorations, and I used the good old saddle soap, and I scrubbed it down with a little bit of Rubidoux Creek wax there, and I still wasn't really happy with the feel of it. So I used the good old-fashioned, what we used back in the day, good old petroleum jelly. Not a whole lot, just a touch on your fingers, and rub that in, because after all, I mean, people have used petroleum jelly for their skin for decades and decades, and you rub it on your lips for chapped lips. It's made to rehydrate your skin, and boy, did it do a good job on this leather. So as a budget-friendly leather conditioner, it works pretty good. The inside of this had, I can kind of show you here. It's still laying here on my table. All of this came off of the inside of this sheath. There's still some in there that could be trimmed off. But the reason this falls into my small universe theme of the story here, I got the stickers and the card from Bubba this morning. I was working on this, talking to Mike about this. And then looking at videos today, and there's Brian over at Bubba's EDC talking about his case knife that he's carrying in a Schrade sheath because he doesn't have a case sheath. So guess what? Now he does. I'm going to gift this over to him, and he'll have a home for his case knife. There is, Brian, if you watch this, you're going to have to watch right at that snap there. It's a little thin on each side, but that's easily fixed with a back patch and a new snap on it. It doesn't hurt anything at all to double up a piece, put a new snap in. You should be fine. But there you go, guys. Small universe day here in the Cheesy Moon workshop. We're going to get that sent off to Bubba here soon. These were just kind of fun. I got a bunch of old bottle openers, can openers, little tape measures, all this kind of stuff. I'll bring a bunch of that stuff to Ellerville this year. So there we go, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and above all, have a beautiful day.